I have this quote that I said, I'll keep on transitioning till I can't no more. We all have to be careful with what comes out of our mouth. Positive affirmation is very, very, very important. And whether you like it or not, it works. Because I didn't start like this. I started when I was still married to my ex-husband, who really didn't believe in whatever that I was doing. But there was something really strong, a powerful force that was forcing me each and every day to get up and do it, regardless of whether my husband was supporting me or my family or not. Okay? I was trying to stop because I wanted to please my husband. I wanted to remain married because I got married at the age of 19 years as my husband's second wife. Yes. And being in a marriage for like 16, 17 years, can you just imagine? So I was trying to remain married, but not doing certain things that he didn't want me to do. So now maybe he didn't want me to be going. I own a shop, but I realized maybe based on that. Whilst these days technology has made everything so easy for all of us here, nobody has an excuse. If you know you're on Facebook today or any social media platform and you are not using it to make money, sell it and drop that yam, because that's your iPhone or whatever Android phone that you're using is not useful. I said, look, I'll create my workshop in their house. Maybe in allow na in IK. So this is where it all started. It was not easy. Okay, it was something that my ex-husband is a generous man. He's a good man. He helps a lot in the community, but he didn't want me to work, so the support was not coming like the way I want it. Can you imagine? I could be like, oh, Jadore na bilen kwenuri na ishi reason for the head ba na chitu. Can you say no? But I kept on like pushing. I kept on pushing. There was a lot of challenges from naysayers coming from the very own people that I thought that would support me. That's maybe from my family, my sisters and stuff. So whatever that you want to start doing and you feel like, oh, my friends will support me. You are not into business. My mother will buy from me, whatever. Forget it. They will not. All you have to do is to be focused and make sure that what you want to do, just make sure that you remain focused and do it. Fine, you can seek support from one or two people that you feel like could support you, but not from everybody. And don't depend on anyone. And don't be offended. If maybe I know that I'll get my support from Aina. I say, Aina, I need this from you. And Aina is not able to do it for me. Please, just enjoy it and move on. There are certain people, I'm the shy person who I find it very difficult to even ask my own husband, come on, oh, I need money. Maybe today I'll say, oh, today I will ask this man money. When I come home and I see him counting money, I will not be able to ask him money. Do you know why? I feel like he will say, is it because you saw me counting money? So you see me swallowing all the pains in me. Then I started to realize that, no, sometimes if you have people close to you that you feel like could help you, go and seek that support. It's better than stealing. It's better than prostitution.
Oh.